Well, good Thursday afternoon to you. It's Dan. I want to welcome you to my home in the sticks. Hope everybody's having a show enough good Thursday. But I'm here to tell you in East Central Mississippi, yes Lord, we getting that rain that we sure enough need. Know them peas could use it. Before we get started on this video, I always like to mention that if you are new to the channel, we want to welcome you. And if you're returning just to see what old Dan's got going on over her, I thank you for coming back. But what I want to share with you and y'all today is, you know what, I'm finna get this umbrella. I'm gonna give you a little update on what's going on with the early summer garden. So give me a second, and that's what we finna do. Let's take a look at this earth bed out here. It's sprinkling, so it's, I think camera equipment wise, we should be good. We set out a bunch more maters and some cages. Got some yellow boys right there, some yellow toms from Norway. Got a couple of Amanda oranges in there. Those are some purple heart maters, and those are two more lemon boys. We also set out a few peppers. I have 4 jalapenos and 4 habaneros in this line right here. And over here we have some cantaloupes that we have set out. I spaced those out about 3 foot apart. So 6 plants. Let's go over here and look at these grow bags. I have 2 rows of Sharons that I planted out. They going pretty good. I don't know what's going on with that one. I'm probably gonna have to work on him. Here are our grow bags filled with maters, and these are some more lemon boys. We like lemon boys over here. And of course, the yellow toms from Norway are growing really nicely. Starting to see some flowers. And here is our green dragon. It's gotten some flowers on it. I'm working on a trellis system for that. And there's the rain gutter strawberries. Got a bunch of nice strawberries going on there. The circus mouse, or Mr. Jingles. He hasn't made it to these yet, so they're growing good. Trying to stay out the rain. Now what I'm going to say is we were going to use the weed mat that was sent to us by Mr. Lee, but we were just really rushed for time this growing season, trying to get everything that we had situated in the garden. So I'm thinking maybe for the fall garden, we're going to get this earth bed squared away once again for the fall garden, Lord wills, and we may row up some stuff and get it planting up in there. I also have some black diamond watermelons that we're going to put out. Just haven't had a chance to put those out. We have about 20 mater plants that we have set out. More than enough maters for us over here at the home in the sticks. And we also have quite a few cucumbers that we put out as well. Let's walk over to the 16-foot raised bed. I haven't seen anything pop up there yet, but I'm going to show you what I done did. All right, here's the 16-foot raised beds. What we did was we actually set out a bunch of Blue Lake pole beans, and we also set out some pole beans and some green dragon cucumber seeds right here. We went about halfway. Now what we were thinking is like, you know what? The beans provide the nitrogen to the soil. Cucumbers are heavy feeders. So we're just gonna see if those two can companion plant and grow together. So we're gonna see what happens with that. May work, may not work. I'm kind of, you see I've set all my snakes out, but I'm really concerned about all of the birds. I see some bird droppings all up in this 16-foot raised bed. I hope they didn't get the seeds, so we're just gonna see, give it a little longer, see if those seeds bust the ground, and we're gonna move on from there. What I intend on doing over here is I may set out some peppers here. I also have that Show Enough fine galvanized planter that Rob, the Sapper gardener over at Ession's Family Garden, him and his family sent Skylar and I as a housewarming present. We still have to fill that up. We may work on that this weekend because we sure enough going to get the planting in that. We may do some peppers in there as well. Let's take a walk over here by these purple hull peas. Boy, look, I got it going on today. I'm working an umbrella and filming. Let's go look at those, the purple hull peas. Well, the peas are looking good. I'm not gonna walk through there because it's probably gonna be muddy. Skylar did see a few peas busting through the ground over here. And then again, I don't know if Mr. Owl is doing his job, but this line of peas is looking pretty good. There we go, right there. So that's some of the newer peas that we planted out. That's good. It's good to see that's actually working. Yeah, seeing all these peas come up, this rain is really helping, so thank the good Lord for the rain. But I got to get in here with the tiller, start weeding this between these rows, because the grass is going to come up something fierce. But that's what I had to add to the pea patch. Mr. Owl, see, he's got a spinny head. Yeah. He's supposed to keep watch of everything, keep the crows out. What I have noticed is a few peas that are just laying out in the rows uncovered. So I'm kind of thinking that the daggum crows are getting after the peas. Oh, there's another one right there. See it right there? So Mr. Owl might not be doing his job. We may have to go on a crow hunt. I ain't really sure, because the crows are sure enough eat every dang seed out the ground. All right, let's get up out of this rain and we'll go on in this video. All right, y'all, there you have it. Just a small early summer garden update, raised bed and earth bed garden and pea patch update. Have a lot of stuff going on over here. A little behind on getting things out, so kind of rush for time, but that's okay. We're working on stuff little by little. But the good thing is things are growing, and that's what counts. So again, I hope everybody is having a show enough good Thursday, and hope everybody's being safe amid this crisis that we have going on. If you like this video, go on and give it a thumbs up, they help. If you haven't subscribed to the Home to Sticks channel, Lord of mercy, y'all need to come on over here and give old Dan a look, because I'm always doing stuff, even in the rain. With that being said, you know what's coming. Dan Referee sure enough always gonna say it. Don't let nobody dull your shine. And I mean nobody. You sure enough get your shine on, get your grow on, get your plan on. And Dan will see you and y'all in the next video.